Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates, kamusta po kayong lahat? Nandito po yung lingkod Ransom Tarot Channel para bigyan po kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful tarot reading. Sige po, ang ating pong reading na pagsasamahan ngayon ay isang general reading para sa ating mga pinakamanga nasa sign ng Gemini, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta. And kapag nagustuhan niyo po o nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading ngayon, ay wag po kayong mahiya na mag-comment, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe po. Sige? Last shuffle. And kunin na natin yung 10 barahan Gemini para sa yung general reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for Gemini. I hope and I pray na sa mabuti po kayong kalagayan, you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon hindi nyo po ako iniwan. Sige po. We have already 3 cards. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit. So, 4, 5. Last 5 cards please for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kapag ikaw ay cross-watcher, welcome din ka din po na manood ang aking video. So, takes what only resonate. And pag hindi po kayo na-cross-resonate, pwede nyo naman hanapin ang yung energy sa ibang videos natin. Sige. Your 10 cards are now complete, Gemini. Huwag na natin pang patagalin ito. Okay, Gemini, for your general reading, let's begin with a Queen of Cups. So, Gemini, the universe is sending you a message to be more vigilant, to be more observant sa mga tao, sa mga sitwasyon na nangyayari sa paligid mo. Because I can see here na magagamit mo ito, kinakailangan mo ito for future decision makings or for future, preference. Kasi mas maganda na malayo pa ay alam mo na, or kumbaga, it was already been revealed kung ang maugali itong mga tao na to, kung yung pupuntahan mo ba yan or sitwasyon na yan ay toxic or it is good for you. So you need, as of now, kailangan ng Gemini ay simulan mo na ang pagiging mapagmasid, pagiging observant sa mga tao at sa mga bagay-bagay sa paligid. It is necessary, kinakailangan to sapagkat alam mo, hindi naman pwedeng mag-jump tayo sa isang desisyon na hindi muna natin inalam or kumbaga hindi muna natin hindi tayo nag-research o kumbaga hindi muna tayo nag-test ng waters kasi kung bara-barang ating magiging desisyon, baka dito tayo mag-fail. Okay? So, observant. Okay, 7 of Swords. You have here the 7 of Swords. Gemini, karamihan daw sa inyo ay unti-unti nang tinutulungan ang sarili nyo sa pamamagitan ng pag-cut off at paglayo sa mga toxic situations. Here you are, unti-unti ka nang nagiging masaya because look at the color yellow at the background. It's a color of happiness and joy. So ipagpatuloy mo yan kasi siguro natuto ka na, siguro na-discover mo din. Parang nahalata mo din na parang puro ikaw lang ang nagbibigay, walang bumabalik. It seems na parang sinabi mo sa sarili mo, Gemini, okay, tama na ang pang-aabuso. Tama na yung panggagamit sa akin. So, I need to stand on my ground na hindi pwedeng mangyari to kasi ako, todo effort ako sa pagbibigay, sa pagpaprovide, but all in all, wala. Although, kapag tumutulong tayo, di ba, hindi naman tayo nag-expect ng balik. But, sometimes kasi parang nagsiself-pity tayo kasi bakit parang alam natin na meron naman, bakit hindi ka naman, ba't di naman sila magkusa? We are not asking, but mapansin lang natin, Gemini, or parang maramdaman naman natin may pagkukusa ang isang tao. At least that's already a big reward, or kumbaga, mas lalong mapapalakas ang loob nito. But now, if you have decided with that thing, yes, do it. Kung feeling mo ay para sa ikabubuti mo, then gawin mo. Kung mag-cut off ng relationship, friendship, family members, lumayo sa isang sitwasyon na hindi na talaga happy, healthy for you, then you're doing a great job, Gemini. Kasi ikaw naman ang nakakaalam ng lahat Ikaw nakakaramdam. So, it's up to you. So, we have here the 6 of Cups. So, expect a good news in the upcoming days ahead. Expect a positive result, harvest season here because this is related to your career, sa iyong trabaho. So, madadagdagan naman siguro ang achievements mo. May good news, may recognition, may award. At the same time, you will be sharing it the good news not only to the people around you, but halos malalaman to ng mga tao sa community or sa paligid. And of course, you will be getting or you will be receiving a lot of recognition, praise, papuri, and of course, admiration. So, you will be setting a high bar in terms of inspiration. Mag-inspire ka ng marami sa paligid mo. Maraming, if you're a teacher, you will be inspiring your students. So, expect this good news kung ano man talks because here, hindi lang siya basta caps or recognition at our success. May laman pa siyang flower blossoming na mumukadkad. So it seems na talagang matagal mo itong pinaghirapan, matagal mo itong trinabaho, and now it will be a harvest season for you, Gemini. Congratulations! We have here High Priestess. So I can see her, Gemini, na work on, the universe is sending you a message na i-work out mo daw, work on your spirituality. Parang lately siguro, parang napapabayaan mo na tumawag sa iyong mga spirit guides, humingi ng advice sa universe, sa Panginoon. So, work on it. So, magdasal, wag makakalimot magdasal, wag makakalimot tumawag sa Panginoon, sa universe, because I can see here na parang medyo napapabayaan in terms of spirituality. It is a very important factor sa pagkatao natin. Although feeling natin, swerte naman, mga pumapasok naman, okay naman yung manifestations. So, dyan natetest. Kasi karamihan sa mga tao, pag dumadating na yung blessings, nakakalimutan magpasalamat or give back the praise and the glory sa universe, sa Panginoon na siyang bibigay ng lahat. But this is a reminder for you, Gemini, to work on your spirituality. Hindi naman nire-require na magsimba ka lagi or to read the Bible or whatsoever kung ano mang belief, but at least recognition na maalala mo ang Panginoon during those high and low moments ng iyong buhay. Okay? So we have here Two of Cups. There will be an offering of partnership for you. Gemini, expect some people na ipapadala sa universe para tulungan ka, or maybe a new door of opportunity will arise for you, Gemini. Maring business related or a new job, offering of a new job, or it's all about collaboration. Okay, so expect that, and it needs your discernment, wise decision para titingnan mo mabuti, alamin mo muna kung papasukin mo yun. But I can see her help, offering of help, at the same time offering of a new opportunity para sa iyo na makakatulong sa iyo. So the universe will be sending situation, people, person na makikilala mo or makaka-meet mo na mag-offer ng partnership or collaboration for you, Gemini. Okay? So I hope nasusundan nyo. And kapag nagustuhan nyo or nakaresonate kayo, mag-comment kayo, like, and share. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. Let's continue, Gemini, yung general reading with an Ace of Pentacles. So, I was so happy. I'm so happy kasi na nakita ko to. It means, Gemini, you are promised. You are guaranteed of a very good future ahead. Okay? Look at this, a very big pentacle. Pentacle is about money, finances. So, it means that in terms of if you're waiting for a big sum, it's like a sum of money or big amount of money na siguro matagal mo itong trinabaho na gustong-gusto mo makuha, expect good news in the soonest time. It's all about, payment, pension, bonus. It's like if you sold a property, kung ano man yan, it's all about a big amount of money that is coming on your way. You are guaranteed. Okay, I am telling you, Gemini, mapapasa ito, makukuha mo to. Just need a little extra patience. So, everything will be for you in just perfect timing. Okay, Gemini, congratulations. There's a big amount of money for you na parating. Oh, judgment. Wish fulfillment talaga. So, here, the judgment. The universe is telling you, Gemini, na cast your worries, tanggalin lahat ng mga pagdudud at doubts. Kung darating pa ba ito, kung mag-improve pa ba ang buhay mo, kung worthy pa ba itong path na tinatahak mo. Yes, I'm telling you, with this judgment card, continue. Sa una talaga may mga pagsubok, sa una talaga maraming mga hadlang at mga disappointments, but it's kapag nasa gitna ka na, at kapag unti-unti mo na nakikita yung bunga ng mga pinaghirapan mo, you will say that it is worth it. Okay? So this judgment card, the universe is reminding you to go forward, to be still, huwag magpapatinag sa mga problema o sa mga balakid sa daan. Kung yan talaga ang gusto mo, kung yan talagang pinili mo na landas yung path na yan, that journey, that is for you. Okay? So, congratulations if you're waiting for something, if you're working for something, everything will be in your favor kasi andito ang judgment card. So this is kumbaga agarang solusyon, agarang result, so resolution sa mga bagay. Chariot, movement, fast movement. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, may paggalaw, may pag-move ng situation mo. Hindi sa lahat ng oras andyan ka sa baba. So, this chariot also another beautiful card reminding you, Gemini, that you are on the right track. Nasa tamang path ka na tinatahak. Maybe you're questioning as of now, but with this chariot card, the universe is telling you that you will be moving forward. Mag-move talaga ang sitwasyon. Hindi pwedeng hanggang dyan ka na lang. Okay? If you're expecting something, result of, it's all about movement. Moving abroad, moving to a new place, moving to a new job, this new kind of business. So, expect a good news about it. So, mag-move talaga. Meron talagang paggalaw or pagkilos ng yung current position. That's why I'm telling you, you don't need to worry. Be still, Gemini. Kakayanin mong lahat at magugulat ka. Everything will make sense later for you. And you will realize na, okay, tama lang na pinaglaban ko. Tama lang na nag-antay ako. Kasi worth it naman pala. Okay? So, Gemini. After the Ace of Pentacles, here the Ace of Wands, new beginning. Magtatanim ka na panibagong punla, new chapter of your life. So, I'm telling you, this new chapter of your life that will open for you is like a kind of life that you've been dreaming of. Ito yung klase ng buhay na gustong-gusto mo, payapa, tahimik, stable ang finances, hindi naman talaga naghahangad ng sobrang yaman, but at least may peace of mind, hindi mo pinoproblema ang lahat. So, this is a new kind of a life that you've been dreaming of. So, magkatapat sila ng High Priestess. So, it's all about your manifestations, talagang wish fulfillment. Kung ano man yung minamanifest mo, sinasabi ko nga, talagang darating yan sa'yo sa tamang panahon, sa perfect timing. But I can see here that the universe will be granting all your requests, your wishes, and your manifestations. And dito yung Chariot card. And dito yung Ace of Pentacles. So, we have here the Judgment card. So, you don't need to worry. Kumbaga, ready na siya, naka-box na siya. Out for delivery na lang siya for you, Gemini. Kailangan mo lang na mag-antay. So, with all of these 4 cards and 10th and last card, there's no doubt, walang pagdududa. You are on the right track. Nasa mabuting kamay ka, nasa mabuting kalagayan ka, Gemini. So, tapusin natin itong general reading mo with 10 and last card, which is the King of Pentacles. Stability. Okay? Pag-aralan mo mabuti itong partnership na i-offer sa'yo. Sabi ko, di ba? Collaboration, bagong doors of opportunity that will be opening for you. Pag-aralan mo kung feeling mo ay align ka naman dyan at may skill ka naman dyan, subukan mo yan kasi andito yung King of Pentacles, maaring yan yung magbigay din sa'yo ng stability, katatagan in terms of pera. Ayan, King of Pentacles. So, kapag may talent ka, feeling mo kaya mo naman yung gawin, then there's nothing wrong na subukan din yan or pasukan din yan or tanggapin yung offer na yan because I can see here stability in terms of money, in terms of finances, you're not going to worry. So maybe yan yung magbibigay talaga sa'yo ng magandang sahod, maraming bonuses, incentives, and of course, sino bang papayo sa stability in terms of finances, Gemini? I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Gemini na kapanood to ngayon. Kapag nagustuhan nyo or nakaresonate po kayo, don't hesitate to comment, like, and share. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Hanggang susunod nating pagsasama. Mga pinamahal kong soulmates, nasaan mo kayo naroroon at mga ginagawa nyo. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. And God bless us.